Hello friends, this is Vinay from IS Interview. Today we will discuss CI/CD for beginners, understanding the basics. So friends, before further moving on the video, if you did not subscribe my channel till now, then please subscribe and please the bell icon for getting such type informative videos related iOS interview questions. So friends, moving on the video, your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. This is quote by Steve Jobs. Topics we will cover on this video are introduction, continuous integration CI, continuous deployment, delivery CD, CI/CD in practice, and conclusion. Introduction. CI/CD stands for continuous integration and continuous deployment or continuous delivery depending on the context. These practices are a cornerstone of modern software development methodologies, particularly in agile development aimed at improving software delivery speed, quality, and efficiency. Continuous integration CI. Definition. Continuous integration refers to the practice of frequently integrating code changes into a shared repository. Typically, this means developers are expected to merge their changes, example new features, bug fixes, to the main codebase at least daily. Key components. Automated testing. Every code check-in is verified by an automated build and test process to detect integration errors as quickly as possible. Version control. A version control system like Git is essential for CI, allowing multiple developers to work on the same codebase simultaneously. Immediate feedback. Developers get immediate feedback on their code submissions, allowing for quick correction of errors. Benefits. Reduces integration issues. Regular integration reduces the likelihood of significant integration issues. Improves code quality. Automated testing ensures that code meets quality standards. Accelerates development. Provides a faster, more iterative development process. Continuous deployment delivery CD. Continuous deployment. Definition. Continuous deployment takes the changes that pass the CI testing phase and automatically deploys them into production. This means that every change that passes all stages of your production pipeline is released to customers. Goals. The main goal is to make deployments predictable, safe, and routine activities that can occur at any time. Continuous delivery definition. Continuous delivery is a step before continuous deployment. It's a practice where code changes are automatically prepared for a release to production. However, unlike continuous deployment, the actual release to production is triggered manually. Goal. It aims to make releases sustainable and low risk, ensuring that any version of the software can be released at any time. Key components. Deployment pipeline. A series of stages including automated testing and quality assurance that a change must go through to be released. Infrastructure as code. Managing and provisioning infrastructure through code and automation. Monitoring and feedback. Continuous monitoring of the application and infrastructure performance to feed information back into the development process. Benefits. Rapid release cycle enables more frequent and reliable releases. Reduced deployment risk. Smaller, more incremental changes reduce the risk of deployment. Feedback loop. Quick feedback from users and stakeholders on each release. CI/CD in practice. In practice, CI/CD often involves CI/CD tools. Tools like Jenkins, Travis CI, Circle CI, GitLab CI, and GitHub Actions automate the steps in CI and CD. containers, and microservices. These technologies facilitate CI/CD, especially in complex architectures. Testing. A robust testing framework, unit integration, performance, etc. is essential. Collaboration and communication. CI/CD requires close collaboration and clear communication among developers, testers, and operations teams. So, friends, moving on the conclusion, CI/CD is not just a set of practices but a culture shift that focuses on frequent incremental improvements to software and priorities, automation in building, testing, and deployment. So, friends, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for getting such type informative video related iOS development. Thank you.